Over for a strike count, even a ball and a strike.
Explain, if you will, eye black for people at home don't understand the difference of a semi-night game wearing an eye black.
You mean besides just for aesthetic decoration?
Yeah.
It's a function of the sun coming up and reflecting off your cheekbones into your eyes. If you have light color eyes too, we heard about Josh Hamilton with the light color eyes. It makes you squint a little bit more. If you put the eye black on, it stops that reflection and it makes your eyes relax a little bit. They've got patches. They've got other things. We used to use cork, where you burned the end of a cork and then use the ash to kind of do that. That doesn't make your skin feel too well though, but it still works. This is the perfect weather for one of those in-between games, in my opinion. The twilight, not the game, the in the shadows sort of game. You need to have just regular light. A slight overcast allows you to have everything balanced. You don't want the sun being out there in center field and you being in the shade.
The 2-2, strike 3 gets away, and Wieters throws down to Reynolds.